Imagine a journey so shrouded in mystery, it's been beckoning millions for centuries. Yet, its secrets remain hidden. It's a pilgrimage, not just of the body, but of the soul. It's a story of longing, of surrender, of faith. In an age defined by speed and isolation, Hajj offers a counterpoint. A gathering of humanity from every corner of the globe, united by a single purpose. Let's explore the heart of this extraordinary pilgrimage, where faith meets humanity and the individual merges with the collective. Hajj, a pillar of Islam and its eschatological significance. Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam, is a complex ritual imbued with profound theological and eschatological meaning. As a physical manifestation of faith, it symbolizes the Muslim's journey towards spiritual perfection and unification with the divine. Beyond its obligatory nature, Hajj serves as a microcosm of the Islamic worldview, encapsulating core beliefs, rituals, and social ethics. Hajj constitutes a multifaceted pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca, entailing a series of rituals and ceremonies. In the Quran, and proclaimed to the people the Hajj pilgrimage, they will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass. Al-Tabari's Tafsir. Who is eligible to perform Hajj? Beyond being a religious obligation, Hajj symbolizes the unity of the Muslim Ummah, reaffirms faith in Allah, and commemorates the prophetic events of Abraham. Quranic reference, Surah Al-Imran, verse 97. And due to Allah, the people have a pilgrimage to the house, for whoever is able to find a way there. Hajj is incumbent upon every Muslim who possesses the physical and financial capacity, referred to as istita'ah. This encompasses individuals who have attained mental and physical maturity, enjoy sound health, and possess sufficient resources to undertake the journey. When is Hajj performed, and what its timing? Hajj occurs during the month of Dhu al-Hijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic lunar calendar, specifically on the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th days. The reasoning behind this timing is quite profound. It coincides with the peak of the Hajj season when pilgrims converge on Mecca. It also commemorates key events related to Prophet Ibrahim's willingness to sacrifice his son Ismail, as referenced in the Quran, chapter 2, verse 197. Hajj is during well-known months, so whoever has made Hajj obligatory upon himself therein by entering the state of Ihram, there is to be for him no sexual relations and no disobedience and no disputing during Hajj. This is also elaborated in Ibn Abbas's Tafsir. Where is Hajj performed and its sacred sites? Hajj is performed in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, and its surrounding areas. These locations hold profound historical and spiritual significance. The topographical symbolism of the Hajj sites, Mecca, Mina, Muzdalifah, and Arafat, form a sacred geography rich in symbolism. For instance, Arafat is often interpreted as a place of reckoning, mirroring the Day of Judgment. Some esoteric traditions even suggest that these locations possess unique energetic properties, contributing to the pilgrimage's spiritual potency. As stated in the Quran, chapter 22, verse 26, "And we made for him Ibrahim a place of sacrifice, saying, Do not associate anything with me, and purify my house for those who perform tawaf and those who are staying there for worship and those who bow and prostrate." This is further explained in Al-Qurtubi's Tafsir. The Hajj rituals, a symbolic odyssey. Entering the state of Ihram is a symbolic death to worldly concerns and a rebirth as a pilgrim. The rituals of Tawaf, which is the circumambulation of the Kaaba, and Sa'i, the running between the hills of Safa and Marwa, represent the celestial orbits and the human struggle towards perfection, respectively. Standing on Arafat, known as Wukuf on Arafat, is the climax of Hajj, symbolizing humanity's supplication before the Creator. The stoning of the devil, or Rami al-Jamarat, represents the spiritual battle against one's lower self, or nafs. As referenced in the Quran, chapter 2, verse 197. Hajj is during well-known months, so whoever has made Hajj obligatory upon himself therein by entering the state of Ihram, there is to be for him no sexual relations and no disobedience and no disputing during Hajj. This is also elaborated in Ibn Hajar's Fath al-Bari. So, why is Hajj performed? Well, let's delve into its spiritual and social dimensions. First and foremost, Hajj is primarily a spiritual journey aimed at drawing closer to Allah, seeking forgiveness, and renewing one's faith. It's performed to demonstrate devotion to Allah, seek forgiveness, and commemorate the sacrifices of Prophet Ibrahim or Abraham and his son Ismail or Ishmael. It also serves as a means of spiritual rejuvenation and a chance to reconnect with one's faith. But that's not all. Hajj also has a significant social impact. It fosters unity among Muslims from diverse backgrounds, promoting brotherhood and understanding. As referenced in the Quran, chapter 22, verse 27, and proclaim to the people the Hajj pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass, that they may witness benefits for themselves and mention the name of Allah on known days over what He has provided for them of sacrificial animals. This is further explained in Al-Suyuti's tafsir. Are there any types of Hajj? Well, there are three types of Hajj: Tamattu, Ifrad, and Qiran, as mentioned in Bukhari 29:1. Tamattu involves performing Umrah, and then Hajj. Ifrad involves performing only Hajj, and Qiran involves performing both Umrah and Hajj simultaneously. According to Bukhari 29:1, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever performs Hajj and Umrah and then performs another Hajj will have his sins forgiven." Al-Nawawi's Sharh Sahih Muslim also supports this. Umrah is a lesser pilgrimage that can be performed at any time, while Hajj is a major pilgrimage performed only during Dhu al-Hijjah. As stated in Quran 2:96, and complete the Hajj and Umrah for Allah. This is further explained in Al-Shawkani's Fath al-Qadir. What is the reward for Hajj? The benefits of performing Hajj are numerous. Spiritually, Hajj is believed to expiate sins, elevate one's spiritual status, and bring one closer to Allah. Hajj is a once-in-a-lifetime obligation, and those who perform it sincerely and correctly are promised forgiveness, spiritual growth, and a high rank in paradise, as noted in Quran 22-27. And proclaim to the people the Hajj pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass, that they may witness benefits for themselves and mention the name of Allah on known days over what He has provided for them of sacrificial animals. This is supported by Ibn Kathir's tafsir. Hajj also serves as a means of promoting social justice, equality, and compassion among Muslims, as pilgrims from diverse backgrounds come together in a spirit of unity and solidarity. Additionally, Hajj is a transformative experience that fosters personal growth, self-reflection, and spiritual renewal as pilgrims detach from worldly concerns and focus on their relationship with Allah. Quran 22-27 reaffirms this. And proclaim to the people the Hajj pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot and on every lean camel. They will come from every distant pass, that they may witness benefits for themselves and mention the name of Allah on known days over what He has provided for them of sacrificial animals. This is elaborated in Al-Ghazali's Ihya Ulum al-Din. Hajj embodies the unity and solidarity of the Muslim Ummah, as pilgrims from diverse backgrounds and cultures come together in a shared experience of devotion and worship, strengthening bonds among Muslims and promoting a sense of global Muslim community. What are challenges and contemporary issues in Hajj? Mass pilgrimage management is one of the major challenges, as balancing the spiritual experience with the logistical challenges of managing millions of pilgrims is a complex task. Financial accessibility is another issue. The rising cost of Hajj has made it increasingly difficult for many Muslims to perform the pilgrimage. health and safety are also critical concerns, as ensuring the health and safety of pilgrims amidst large crowds requires robust infrastructure and medical facilities. What is the Hajj's impact on the Muslim world and beyond? Hajj has significant economic importance, serving as a major economic driver for Saudi Arabia and contributing to the global economy. It also fosters cultural exchange, as the gathering of Muslims from diverse backgrounds promotes cultural understanding and exchange. Lastly, Hajj raises global awareness of Islamic teachings and practices on a global scale, enhancing the understanding of Islam worldwide. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to spread the word with your friends and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all things FactFusion.